Okay.
So, Healthy, first of all, I will be telling you that you are a FTO. If you join as a lieutenant of the patrol, then you have to leave the FTO division. Do you aware of that?
Uh, okay. Okay.
Okay. So, I'll be asking you, why do you want to be a lieutenant of the patrol division?
Okay. So first thing is that if someone is doing wrong in the patrol division, like some PO guys, some rookie and all that, so I can take care of them and tell don't do this and do this like that. And I have a question. Like, can I promote someone if I am lieutenant in patrol division?
Technically, you can, but you cannot. You can, like, if we have the permission, if you do have the permission from us, in the end, we decide
Yeah,
as a
no
jury.
problem, Shankar.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
In the end, we as a jury decide who is getting the promotion. Okay, so we have to decide. If you have the confirmation from us, you can give. Okay,
Okay, nice.
there
Cool.
has to be a valid
Okay.
promotion for that. Okay.
Mhm.
Okay, so tell me, you are if you are if you see something really bad thing happening, like petrol officer guys, one of our petrol guys officer selling really illegal item. Okay, and you caught red-handed. What are you gonna do? And nobody knows that. Only you know that.
Okay, so first I need to hold the situation. Then if I can't handle the situation, I need to talk to the higher ups like you and captain of patrol and all that, like higher than me. Then if I am in charge of all the whole situation, so I need to like take the patrol guy in custody and call some higher up. If I can't handle it, I need to call higher up. If I can handle, then no problem.
Okay. So let's assume from other legal org like SHP or FIB, the guys came for you. That they came to deport one of our officer, and you are the most high command available in the lobby. So what will you gonna do in that situation?
Uh, so I need to ask to the other department, what is the crime of our members, what he do and all that. Then I need to like check all the situation, like I need to ask for the POV and all that. Then uh, then after that, I need to handle that. If there is no high command available, so I need to contact in the email, uh, if I can handle. So yes.
Okay. Sounds good. So tell me the same scenario, but they are not from legal org. They are a citizen or from the gangs, and they are screaming at you, giving you curse words and disrespecting you. So what will you gonna do? And they don't have the any proof of that.
So I just tell him that you don't have any proof of that. If you wanna report officer, the form is opened. You can report it over here, but you don't have proof right now, so I can't do anything.
Okay, so I'll be asking the last question to you. If any other high command from other division try to influence you or giving you some orders, which is very like looks like it's a personal grudges, and he's scolding some of our officer, which you think that he's not done any wrong. In that situation, what you gonna do?
I need to take the POV of that. Then I need to tell the other department, not who is saying to us you are doing wrong and all that. So I need to tell them we are not doing anything wrong. We are doing all right. Then if he is saying you are doing wrong, and then I need to handle the situation. Then I already have POV. So if the other division take action, I have the POV and I can save our members.
Okay, Healthy, your interview is over. I'll let you know the verdict once I take all the interviews. Okay.
Nice.
Okay, give us one day. I'll let you know.